Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also joined the nationwide agitation against Enforcement Directorate's naming senior party leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi as a key accused in charge sheet filed in connection with the National Herald case. CLP leader Okrumi Bobi, Mpcc President Kesham Megachandra, along with other Congress members took up protest in front of Enforcement Directorate office in Sangakpam today. Speaking on the sidelines of the protest, CLP leader Okrumi Bobi accused BJP of misusing Enforcement Directorate as a weapon to target opposition party leaders and for political vendetta. On the other hand, the Mpcc President K. Megachandra has accused BJP of engaging in political vendetta by using ED as a tool to target Congress leaders. Protesters used placards that read, BJP down down, National Herald is true voice of people, ED don't become a stooge at the hand of BJP, ED becomes a tool to flatten opposition.
Madam Sonia Gandhi, leader of Rahul Gandhi, national hero life, see, they are the India ki ananba Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ki matapdagi general paper amani masi ki matang se da lan prashar toksalaga koi detail charge chiti moina charge chita mai hajal laga yaro kota hayeng trial sathar kanada madu sabja ba evidence ki ngamdragadi conviction ki ba Gandhi ki ba haji yaro aduko yagi opposition ki political party leadership se karimta movement tawang amdana ba haina action tawba haiban tane karimta haiban amdana ba haina sikuba political vendetta hoy mase ko Congress party na strongly condemn tawi haina nationwide masi protest tawi
Enforcement Directorate की ममांगदा protest तौजरी बसी Congress Party के कोई leader Madam Sonia Gandhi की अमसुंग leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi की मथक्ता ED ला चार्जशीट तौरपा अमसुंग मसी National Herald का मरी लेना चार्जशीट तौरपा से Congress Party ना nationwide protest तौबसी Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ना protest तौबनी मसीगी ED सी BJP की खुलाई हुई सिनबा कोई यानिंगे मारा लेतबा कोई leader of opposition श्री राहुल गांधी जी मां की मथक ED द चार्जशीट तो कोई यानिंगे मैडम सोनिया गांधी मागी मथक सु ED द चार्जशीट तो पसे यानिंगे हाइबगी प्रोटेस्ट मसी कोई मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना ED की ऑफिस मांगदा प्रोटेस्ट तौजबो